It's so foggy because it's somewhere cold. It's foggy, you know, like, there it goes. Did you hear me bang on your window? The day after Vegas.
The morning after Vegas.
Come on, my freaking camera's fogging up.
Some people really think we're going to Vegas.
We were.
No, like, boss.
I know.
They're like, you're lucky for spring break, and I'm like, yep.
Alright, Brianna, let's hear your story about how your mom came in your room this morning.
Are you videoing me?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's going on YouTube. Come on.
My mom came in my room this morning and made the dog jump on my bed, and she said, Brianna, where are your keys at? And I said, oh, I don't know, probably in the car.
You're retarded.
And then she was like, do you like to run over things? Because I think that's what you did, because your car's leaking an awful lot.
It's a lake out there of oil.
Yeah, you should go video it.
Probably should.
But, yeah, my mom thinks that I, like, purposely try to break my car. It's foggy.
I know. So what up, dog? Hitman, me and Bella over here were fighting earlier today. Let's go look at your car.
Okay, girl.
I don't know how to pause it. I gotta run. I gotta go out there barefoot.
Why? I'm putting my army shoes on.
I'm putting my kicks on. Nice PJ. That's nice. Don't let your dog out.
Don't let my dog out.
I'm trying to just spin his face up against the wall. Hey, Brianna's car.
That's Betsy.
Let's see her oil track from last night. We know where she went. This is Betsy. And under there, that would be her oil. It is so cold out here.
No, it's a different one. And Pippa. But his dad owns the shop that's in Port Dixon.
I don't think he can take me. Anna.
The car shop. He will.
I'm sorry, we just woke up, so it's gonna look like you.
The car shop that's in Port Dixon.
Yeah, you said ow. We got our friends waiting on us over here. And this one, he's just whack.
Bamboo sheet sets.
Where?
I want one.
I want one. How much are they?
How much? Yeah, I'll pay you.
How much are they?
Will you send me, like, a picture of what kind of camera it is? Because if it's the, like, pixelated kind, I don't want it.
My hair's looking like Pope. Get a duty with it.
Well, just give me a picture and I'll tell you if I want it or not.